Welcome to my Jeep. This video I'm going to start second part of Surds. This is second part. First part we have completed single Surds. This video I'm trying to start multiplication and dividing Surds. So let's start. So our first question we will start from 1f, which is root 8 times root 2. Okay, so what can we do? Lots of way we can solve this one. Like this root 8 we can write 2 root 2 times root 2. So what does mean? It means it will become 2 times root 2 and root 2 become 2. It means 4. This is a rational number. Okay, or we can say this is root 8 and root 2. We know root a times root b, it means root ab. Therefore this one also we can write root 8 times 2, it means root 16. 16 is a perfect square, so we will get 4, and this is rational number, right? So anything you can do, but better it will be multiplying. So number F done. Number Z, root 20 times root 18. So this one also you can segregate two way. First, root 20 times root 18, it will become what? Root 360, right? And then this one we can write 36 times 10, and then 36, root 36 times root 10. So 36 is a perfect square, so root 36 will be 6, and here is root 10, and finally the answer is irrational number. Okay, so number G done. Now number H. Number H is a dividing. What? Root 20 divide root 5. So root 20 divide root 5. So how can we explain this one? So first one, it's a multiplication and division. In root we can take inside, so root 20 divide 5. So here is 20 divide 5 is a 4. 4 is a perfect square, so our answer will be 2. Okay, so this is a very simple thing, and it's a rational number. Another way you can solve this one, like root 20 divide root 5 equals to this root 20 we can write root 5 times root 4 divide root 5. So you can divide this one, root 5 and root 5, and here only root 4. Root 4, it means root 4 is a perfect square, so here is a 2. You will get similar result, right? Then H done. I, root 80 times root 50. I, root 80 times root 50. So what is the matter of this? This one we can write 8 times 5 is a 40. So here we can write 40 and 0 0, it means 4000. This 4000, if we want to segregate, what can we do? Like 400 times 10 is a 4000, and here is square root. Root 400 times root 10 we can write. Then root 400, it means 20, and here is root 10. So this is a irrational number. Okay, so number I done. Then I done. So what is the z? So root 75 times root 15. Root 75 times root 15. So this one it's looking big size. So if you want, you can step by step can do. Like this root 75, we can write 25 times 3 is a root 25, and times here is root 15. Root 15 we cannot do anything. So or we can write like we no need to change anything, root 15, and then here is root 25 and here root 3 and here root 15. Or if you want, you can write like 3 times 5. So here is root 3, then root 5. So finally this root 25 is a 5 times root 3 times root 3 is a 3, and here is root 5. So finally we get 15 root 5. Ultimately this one is irrational number. Clear? If you have any confusion, please write a line in the comment section. So number Z done. Next question, number P. 1P. Here is root 27 times root 3. Look, this root 27 we can write 9 times 3 is a root 27 times root 3. So this one we can write root 9 times root 3 times root 3. So root 9, it means what? 3, and root 3 times root 3 also 3. So our answer is 9. Therefore this is a integer, so it's a rational number. Okay, very interesting answer, and I love this question. So number P done. Now number Q. Root 25, sorry, root 250, right? 250 times root 40. So this one we can write here is like 25 times 10, and this 40 we can write times this 40 we can write root 4 times 10. Okay, so here root 25 times 10 times root 4 times root 10. So here root 5 it means 5, and root 4 it means 2, times root 10, and root 10 once we multiply we will get 10. So 5 times 2 is a 10, 10 times 10 is a 100. So this is rational number. So Q done. And now we will try to solve number S. Root 90 times root 20. So root 90, what can we do? We can segregate this one like 90, 16 times what? 90, if we divide by 5, we cannot use calculator, so 1, and here is 5, so 4, 0, so 8. So it's not possible, right? So better we can multiplying. It means 90 times 20, it will be 1800 square. So this 1800 we can write 900 times 2 square root. This 9 is a perfect square, so 900 also a perfect square. It means 900 times root 2. So root 900, it becomes 300, and here is root 2. And finally this one is what? Irrational number. Okay. Question R. Root 108 divide root 12. So this one is very simple. It means we can write root 108 divide root 12. 108 divide 12 is a 9, root 9. So answer is 3. 3 is a integer, and we can say this one is a rational number. What about number T? Number T, root 60 times root 20 divide root 12. So first we can express like this way. Root 60 we can write root 12 times root 5 times, here is a root 20 will be unchanged, and here is root 12. So root 12 and root 12 out, and once we multiply root 5 and root 20, it will be root 100. So root 100 is a 10. So this one is what? Rational. So finally number R and T done, and here is 20 math. We try to solve by 3 episodes. If you think it's so hard, please let me know. Otherwise I will go next video 18.1 question 2. Surd is very important, and please note that don't confuse radical and surds. Once you use a root sign, it's a radical. Okay, but what is surd? Surd is you should use root, but if the number like 5, if the number want to make decimal, you will not get any integer. It will be forever what? Forever continue. Decimal go on forever without repeating. So thank you very much for being with me. Please subscribe my channel Math Jeep. From this channel you will get lots of things for O-level math practice. Thank you.